In the name of Almighty Allah, Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you all are fine. I am your teacher, Bat Fayaz, Government PS, Herpura Sadal, Zun Hanwara. I hope that you all are getting out online as well as offline classes without any difficulties. And if any student is facing any difficulty, he can without hesitation contact with us. Inshallah, we will definitely help him. So, dear students, let us start today's topic. Our today's topic is matter, class 8th, subject science, dated 1st May 2020. My dear students, first of all, we see that what is matter in science. Dear students, in science, matter is the term for any type of material. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. At a minimum, matter requires at least one subatomic particle. All the most matter consists of atoms. The word matter is sometimes used to refer to a pure substances. Dear students, basically they are groups into three states. That is, first one is solid, and second is liquid, and third one is gas. सॉलिड की हम मिसाल लेते हैं बुक, पेन, मोबाइल एट्सट्रा। लिक्विड की हम मिसाल लेते हैं वाटर, पेट्रोल, डीजल एट्सट्रा। एंड गैस की हम मिसाल लेते हैं ऑक्सीजन गैस और CO2 गैस, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस। Dear students, so air is an example of matter. Even you are an excellent example of matter. Likewise, water, books, pencils, sun, earth, moon, electron, proton, mesons are also examples of matter. My dear students, matter is everything around you. Atoms and compounds are all made of very small parts of matter. Those atoms go on to build the things you see and touch every day. So, dear students, matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. It has also volume. Dear students, matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space and volume. Dear students, now I will write three things that are not matter. Non-matter includes the light from a torch, the heat from a fire, and the sound of a police siren. You can't hold, taste, or smell these things. They are not types of matter, but these are the forms of energy. Now, there is a question: is sound an example of matter? Light and sound are not regarded as forms of matter. In contrast, matter is made up of particles that do have mass. Sound is little different in that it is the propagation of a pressure wave through a medium of particles. Since it is a wave, it is not considered a form of matter. So my dear students, आपने पढ़ा कि जो मैटर है, matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. Matter چھُ وَنان أسۍ تَتھ أسۍ یُس mass یَتھ کینٛہہ mass آسہِ اور یُس کینٛہہ space رَٹہِ اور یَتھ کینٛہہ volume آسہِ تَتھ چھُ وَنان أسۍ گوٚبرِو یہِ ہسا گوٚو matter. Thanks. Have a nice day.